How to recover your Facebook account if locked. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover your Facebook account if locked. Check your spam folder if you're not receiving reset codes. Now, check your connection. You will need a signal to receive the code. Wait a few minutes and then try requesting a new code. If someone hacked your account, visit facebook.com/hacked on a device you used before. If you don't have access to the email address or number linked to your Facebook account. Next, try using a different mobile phone number or email address. Double-check that you've entered your mobile phone number or email correctly. Enter an email or phone number you used to log in or think might be linked to the account. If you forgot the username, ask a friend to visit a profile and send you the username in the URL. If you found your account, select Forgot Password or Recover instead. Follow the prompts to confirm that the account you're trying to recover belongs to you. Once successfully passed all the security checks, follow the instructions to reset your password. Try to choose something easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.